This is my WOWGO cordless vacuum cleaner. It's a 6-in-1 vacuum cleaner for my home. It has 40 minutes of runtime, and it's honestly one of the best cordless vacuums that I have. I love that I don't have to have a vacuum that has the cord running around everywhere and I have to always plug it in. It's completely cordless. It picks up all of those crumbs, and it's just super easy to utilize and have within my home. Super good for storage, and I'm able to just easily detach it, and I can use it in different functions and modes. So it's been a really cool product for me to have. It's rechargeable with a battery. You just take out the battery and then you can charge it with the wall, and I have nothing but great things to say about this product.